Hi friends, I'm Priya Sharma and I'm so happy to see you again. Today I have a very simple yet very pretty card idea to share with you. So let's quickly get started with the tutorial. For today's card, I'm using two stamp sets from Little Birdie. The one on the right is the Flowerful Gratitude and the other one is Thanks a Bunch. I'll begin by stamping my image on a watercolor cardstock, so I'll place my cardstock in my stamping tool. I'm using Versafine Onyx black ink for stamping. Ink your stamp nicely to get a crisp impression. I always like to stamp my image twice to make sure that I don't miss any details of the image. So here's our beautiful stamped image ready for coloring. And for this, I'll be using the Ohuhu dual tip marker pens. These are watercolor markers. All you have to do is add the desired color to the small section of the image and then spread the pigment with a water brush. By spreading the pigment around, you can get a good blend of the lighter and darker shades. The more water you add, the more lighter the pigment gets. For now, I'll leave you with some music while you watch me coloring. As you can see, I have fussy cut my image, leaving a thin white border around it. I am taking another piece of white cardstock for a card panel. Here, I am roughly placing a stamped image to get an idea of where to stamp the sentiment. So I have decided to stamp the thanks sentiment in the upper right corner of my card panel. And I really love the script lettering of this stamp. Below this, I'll be also stamping a sub-sentiment. To break the stark white look of the card, I am going to add a splash of color behind our image. Now for this, I am simply scribbling with a yellow brush pen and then spreading the color with water. I want a brushstroke kind of a look for this. I'm just holding a stamped image against the yellow brush stroke to see how it looks, and I feel I need to add some more color. Next, I'm putting some double-sided foam tape to add dimension to the image. Now, I'll mat my panel with a black cardstock and then adhere it on a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch note card. Last but not the least, I'm adding some self-adhesive rhinestone pearls on the center of the flowers and also a few scattered across the card. Adding these small elements to the card really enhances the look of the card. Don't you agree? So I hope you enjoyed today's card idea and you'll surely give it a try. I would really appreciate your support in the form of likes, comments and sharing my videos. And if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel to enjoy more of my content. I'll see you soon. Take care and bye for now.